Types of animals. Different organisms eat different types of food. Like human beings eat vegetables, fruits, meat, pulses, milk, eggs, etc. Tigers like only meat. On the basis of eating habits of animals, we can divide them into 3 categories. 1. Herbivores. The animals which eat plants and plant products like cow and elephant. 2. Carnivores, which eat other animals, example, lion, tiger. 3. Omnivores, which eat both plants and their products as well as other animals, example, human beings. Food items that come from animals. Animals can be put into different categories depending upon the foodstuff they provide us. Milk-yielding animals, example, cow, buffalo, goat. Meat-yielding animals, example, hen, goat, fish, etc. Egg-yielding animals, example, hen, duck. Honey-yielding insects, example, honeybees.